everyone to please settle down. Thank you.
The Philippine Army Reserve Command exerted best effort to give the finest training to the students who were enrolled in the Reserve Officer Training Corps in order to realize the mission and vision of making the ROTC cadets and cadets highly developed, organized, train, equip, and administer into the Army Reservists who are responsive, capable, and ready mobilizable reserve force as an integral component of Army in the defense of the state of emergency and to participate or contribute in the economic developmental efforts of the government.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, good day. You're about to start and witness a fascinating display of talents and skills as a group of young men and women from the University of Southeastern Philippines, ROTC Silent Drill Company, perform the silent drill.
Silent drill is a unique precision drill exhibition with no verbal instructions. These highly disciplined men and women exemplify professionalism associated with the University of Southeastern Philippines ROTC Unit 4 of Cadets. Headed by the Company Commander Bonovan J. Colamba, together with his staff, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome the Silent Drill Company of ROTC school year 2009-2010. These young men and women prepared and sacrificed in order for them to perform in this prestigious performance which has been made specially for you.
Ay, makita ka! Dako!
Now the company commander gives his final command to the company to commence the silent drill presentation.
There are two sides in the life of every cadet. Each side represents two distinct colors, the dark and light. As we adopt this profession of arms, we submitted our own free will to a law of perpetual constraint. We live in the world of numbers and commands. We rise, march, run, endure bad weather, go without sleep or food, be separated from our families, and mitigate our normal lives. As the execution of changing of colors represents the abrupt change of our lives from being the smallest maggot of the unit into a person of authority and responsibility, from dark to light. The changing of colors symbolizes the best qualities of a cadet. It is not an easy thing to be one of us. We are the strong soldiers with a proud tradition.
Everything has its own beginning. There comes a time when the meaning of life begins to make sense. Just like these individuals who once started the smallest mammal in the ROTC organization, but has now adopted to change as they go beyond their limitations and rise above expectations to improve themselves, ready to face the challenges that lie ahead. This silent representation is not just an easy thing. It is a presentation of sacrifice and discipline. Beyond this unique presentation is our great determination of giving you a quality performance. And for that, the silent thrillers are forming the letters H and I, hi. This is our simple way of welcoming all of you at every performance we do. To all the people around, allow us to give each one of you maayong gabi kaninyong tanan.
From an innocent babe born to a man of honor, and from being an ordinary civilian to a leader of character with promising future is something to be cherished. It is a step-by-step transformation of human being which only few institutions can do. We are very proud that the University of Southeastern Philippines stands among these institutions. The school, which has been our home for more than many years, did not fail in teaching and molding us to be well-rounded individuals. A university that has been receiving a lot of achievements of giving services in educational development of young minds. In the creation of the Reserve Officer Training Corps, the school has earned another of its purpose, and this is to become the training ground of all the aspiring individuals who came by and became the standing pillars of the organization.
Subukan tayo gamay. Uyab na eh. Hawid, hawid. Ha? O lagi, pero...
Tayo na lang, Eric.
Ha? Okay. Hindi, tuloy-tuloy na ako.
Para din siya makita ang
Reserve Officer Training Corps, also known as by its initial ROTNC, is the university's premier organization in producing future soldiers of character, discipline, and excellence. The ROTC unit continues its work of giving service to the whole community. Many were called, but only few responded to the call.
Te, kita mo te. Kita mo te. Kita kaya po ka te. Iya tuyo gina ko na, promise.
The primary goal of our OCC cadet is to promote discipline, a sense of responsibility,